Hello everyone, and welcome! In this tutorial, I'll quickly guide you through the steps to set up MavenX Shield on your Android device. This setup will add an extra layer of protection, provide an enhanced connection, and allow for secure browsing. Let's get started. 1. Open Google Play Store. First, locate and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. 2. Search MavenX Shield. In the Google Play Store search bar, type MavenX Shield and tap the search icon. 3. Install the app. Locate the MavenX Shield app in the search results and tap the Install button. 4. Open the app. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the MavenX Shield application. 5. Tap the three lines, top left on the app's main screen. Look for the menu icon, three horizontal lines, often in the top left corner. Tap it to open the app's menu. 6. Tap Update Config. Within the menu, find and tap the Update Config option. This ensures that the app has the latest server list and configuration settings. 7. Wait for update to complete. Allow the update process to finish. This might take a few moments, depending on your internet connection speed. 8. Select your country. Tap the area to select your country from the available options. 9. Tap Add Time. Tap the Add Time button to extend your connection time. This may involve watching an advertisement or completing a simple task. 10. Tap Start to connect. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection process. That's it. You have now successfully set up MavenX Shield, which will add an extra layer of protection, give you an enhanced connection, and enable secure browsing. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and according to local laws. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful tutorials.